Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to draw a floral mandala and I will show you some simple techniques to start off with. So before we start, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon to get notification of my new uploads. Now let's have a look at the things that we are going to use for this drawing. So first of all, you will need a paper. I'm using a Cartridge paper sketchbook. You can use any paper that you find handy. And then you will need a pencil compass to draw circles, few pencils and markers for drawing the mandala, and I'll be using these DOMS color pencils for coloring. So you can see that I have drawn some concentric circles using a pencil compass on the paper, and I have kept a big circle around here where I will be drawing the lotus. I'm using this 4B pencil for that. So I have drawn the outlines inside the circle, and now I'm going to color this using these color pencils. For the flower, I'm going to use this pink, yellow and red. Use the yellow color inside the center of the petals. So I have drawn the lotus inside the central circle, and from there I will start adding patterns for creating the mandala. And remember that you have to start from the inner circle and end to the outer circle. So at first I will draw some basic shapes that I will be using for this pattern. As you can see that I have used lines, circles, petals, half circles and triangles inside the mandala. While drawing a mandala, you don't have to be much conscious about the basic shapes. You can use any pattern that you like. Now we will add some more patterns to fill in these basic shapes. So this is about it. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and leave your comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.